Okay, so it's been a while since we've actually touched on this guy, my competition crawler. And I know that there was an episode 8, and I guess this is going to be episode like 8.5 or 9 maybe. Reason being is that I've added 4-wheel steering on this bad boy. It is absolutely amazing. I love having 4-wheel steering. It's opened up a lot more possibilities and ability for me. So, if you don't know what 4-wheel steering is, it's pretty, I think, self-explanatory. All 4 wheels can steer. If you have it steering like in this configuration, it allows you to turn an extremely tight radius. And if you have it like this, it allows you to crab crawl. Like so. Pretty cool. I'm thinking about maybe doing like some sort of video series in the future of like all the super awesome lines and shots that I can do with this thing. So stay tuned for that, and let me know in the comment section also if you think that would be really cool. Maybe just like 1-minute little videos of a line, and then I'll just put those together in a playlist, so then if you want to see them again, you can see them again. So I suppose you probably want to see this thing work. There we go. Makes a lot of racket, let me tell you. When I was getting the servos straightened out and all the trims set up, it was so annoying, because both servos... Yikes, that was crazy. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to inhibit 4-wheel steering, meaning that only the front wheels turn, as you can see there. And then if I enable 4-wheel steering, right now I have it set as crab crawl. So as you can see, I've got crab crawl. See if you guys can see this. And then if I set it to normal, they turn the other way. So that's pretty cool. I probably could have filmed how I put this together, but I didn't. So I'm going to tell you right now. I am using the Futaba 3PV radio. Probably can't really see that. And the Futaba R2004GF 4-channel receiver. This is a 3-channel radio, but the 4th, it can handle a 4th channel for brake mixing or 4-wheel steering, which is what I have it set up for here. Basically, I have my 1 BEC going to 2 servos, and the signal wires from my servos each going into their own channel in the receiver. I've got a Savox servo over here. It is the SA1230SG. Yep, it's not waterproof because I put the waterproof servo that I had in a different truck. You can kind of read that, it's upside down, but I think you guys can figure that out. I have my steering link going, but like it's between the upper links and the lower links, and it's getting squeezed behind the axle. It's tricky to see because of the way I've got my camera. Okay, there we go. That's better. You can see that this link here goes through there, and it's kind of like tucked back in there so it really doesn't get in the way. And then I've just got my Savox servo mounted up there with another rod going to the knuckle. I basically replicated the front axle. So I don't remember what episode of the build series it was that I did the front axle, but you can go see it. I think it's like episode 4 or 5, and I also did a video of how to install the wide XR mod beef tubes. So basically what I did to the front axle, I directly replicated on the rear. I've got Vanquish knuckles, STRC C-hubs, beef tubes, they're the wide XR mod, and XR10 universal drive shafts right there. And then same servo in the front as in back. And if you want to know how to install the wide XR mod beef tubes, I've got a video of that. You can go check that out over on my channel. So, like I said, identical in the back. Got the same Vanquish knuckles, STRC C-hubs, and the wide XR mod beef tubes, as well as XR universals. So basically just replicating the back, replicating what's in the front, in the back, giving me a 4-wheel steering. So that's pretty much all I have to share about this thing right now. I also added a "don't worry, I welded it" sticker on the top of it, because I thought, well, why not? So yeah, I think that's about it. That's, if you guys want more information on 4-wheel steering or anything else like that, if you want to see more in depth of how to put it together or how to do all the electronics and stuff, I can go into that. If you want that, post up down below in the comment section. If you did enjoy, please do leave a like, click the subscribe button, wherever it is. Comment down below what you think of this thing, if you want more tutorials on it or tips and tricks or whatever you want. Make sure you post up down below. I'm looking for new content ideas, so whatever you want, tell me, because I really need that. So, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye for now.